Are you feeling overwhelmed by your housework? In this video, I'll help you work out a realistic weekly organizing schedule for your house, and we're starting right now. Hi all, how are you today? My name is Nika, welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you love cleaning or you're in need of some serious and realistic inspiration, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I am part of a few cleaning communities and I have noticed that some people are having issues working out a realistic weekly organizing schedule for their house. That's why in this video I've added for you a Monday through Friday weekly cleaning schedule. At the end of the video you'll find some prints of the schedule. If there is any interest in me putting them on an Instagram account, let me know. The schedule is divided in 4 sections: morning, afternoon or evening. I'm keeping working moms in mind. Every day I added a day job, and extra. This is extra work in case you're feeling energetic. The morning and the evening chores are more or less the same every day. So let's get to it. On Monday, tackle your bed sheets and vacuum the bedrooms. If you want an extra, you can do the inside windows downstairs. On Tuesday, give the bathroom a scrub. Got more energy? Do your ironing and clean out the dryer lint. On Wednesday, it's kitchen cleaning day. As mentioned earlier, you can find more details at the back of the video in the cleaning schedule. Do you want to do something extra? Clean out the fridge or do your administration. And if you're really energetic, do both. On Thursday, tackle your living room. Today's extra is actually not optional. Prepare your week menu for the next week and make up your grocery lists. On Friday, I suggest you deep clean your toilet, dust your hallway, and vacuum and mop it. Your extra, not optional today, go grocery shopping. This will leave you with a free weekend to enjoy time with your husband and your children. As mentioned, a printout of the schedule can be found at the end of the video. I will be working out a weekly schedule for each week and will be uploading it on Sunday, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in comments what you think of the schedule and if you want me to upload on Instagram. Very curious to hear your opinions about this. Thank you all for watching. Have a great and productive week. See you next Sunday. Bye!